Now students, according to the rule of ICSC, you have to make a 2 project for class 10, and for 2 project you will get a 20 marks. So project topics are given in the internal section, means in your book after the syllabus is given there is a given internal assessment, and under the internal assessment some project topics are there. So from this topic you have to choose any 2 project. So I have chosen already 2 project. One is in short banking and other one is home budget. These are the short name. So full name you have to take. And now and how to make the project, that is your for I made the video. So first these things you should follow. What is the what should we follow? Now first, use one-sided lined and one-sided white practical page, that you know very well. Then rough this practical copy by using sky or yellow paper. Okay. Then make a computerized front page. After making computerized front end, you have to write on the following details. What you have to mention on the front page? Your name, class, section, admission number, school name, subject, mathematics project, then session, for which session you are making, then submitted to teacher's name and submitted by yours name or student's name. Then inside the copy, practical copy or project copy, you have to write in the front acknowledgement. Then second page you have to write the index. Then inside that, after index, you have to write the project 1. Okay. Then project 1 you have to write the full project topic name. Don't use the short name like banking. Banking is not the name given by the ICSC. It has the proper name that you should follow. So write full project topic name. Then under the project you have to follow these 3 things, like you have to mention the introduction of the project. Then project work, you have to do the project work in detail. Then you have to find out the result or conclusion. If result is there, result or conclusion. Similarly, you have to make a project 2. There you have to write the full project topic name given by the ICSC. Under this project you have to write the introduction, again project work in detail, and result or conclusion. And at the end of the project, at last of the page, you have to write the bibliography, that you know very well. Now I told inside the project 1 or project 2 we have to make a project work in detail. Then in detail means how to make a project. For that I will tell you how to make the project. So but you have to make a 2 project now, and some project name are given. So I have chosen 2 projects, project 1 and project 2, and the names are here. The project names are I have selected. The project discussion for 10 is project 1. Project 1, that is banking, the short name, but its full name is survey of various types of bank account, rate of interest offered. That is the name of the page banking that is given by the ICSC. So please follow the correct topic name. So after writing the topic name properly, then you give the little introduction about the project. Then you will do the survey of various types of bank. So first you choose the 5 bank. So you choose any 5 bank, but out of 5 bank, 1 will be the must SBI, means State Bank of India, and you choose 4 any other bank. Then at the heading you will discussing about the project SBI Bank. So SBI Bank, so you use the logo of the SBI Bank in the left side, means white page where you are writing the details of the SBI. That left side you will paste the logo of the SBI Bank. Then you will write the about bank, means it is the largest bank of India, and its head office, headquarter is where. These things you have to mention here. Then you have to write what type of service it is given by the bank, means what types of account they are opening or they are functioning, or you have to write the function properly of the bank. So after writing the state banks these details, then you have to make 2 types of interest rate. One is RD, means recurring interest rate, that is current, means don't use that 5 months ago or 5 years ago. current, whatever is going on, follow the internet, you will get the current interest rate. And FD interest chart. For FD you have to make a chart, and RD you have to write only the RD rate of interest. That for the FD you have to make a chart. So same things you will do for the other 4 bank. You have to use the logo, you have to write about bank, their service, their functioning, how they are function, and their RD rate and FD rate. FD means fixed deposit rate. And all you have to use the current, don't use the old one. So after writing after completing the survey of the 5 bank, you will write the application or problem with solution. You have to show 3 problem with their solution. You have to write the question, means problem, along with their solution. So what type of problem you will include there? It is in the banking chapter, the sums are there. So that sum you have to choose. One sum you will choose, that answer is find maturity value. One sum you will choose where question is find the interest. And one sum you will choose where the question is find the time. So 3 problem you will choose where 3 items we have to calculate. And in the banking chapter, sometimes it is given rate of interest is 10%, rate of interest is 9%, all are RD rate, but now no bank is given 10% RD rate. So when you will make the problem, always use the current rate of interest. Whatever, suppose you are making the problem for SBI, so you make the problem for SBI, but you use the current RD rate of SBI bank. For that, don't write the detail from the book. Okay, in the book, rate of interest is given different. You have to write the correct interest rate, and for that you have to make the answer, corresponding answer. Answer will be changed. Book answer will not match here because rate of interest is different. Okay, so follow these things. So after completing the first project, you have to write the conclusion, means after doing the project, what you have learned, what you have got, what type of knowledge you got from the project, or after completing the project, what you will do, means after doing the project, what is the advantage for do this project. These things you have to include in the conclusion section. That is the project 1. After completing the project 1, you have to write the project 2. So that I will show you. That is the project 2. Project 2 name, that is short name is home budget, but the full name that given by the ICC is planning of home budget. And in the bracket I have written it is monthly, because we are showing the planning of home budget for monthly wise. So planning of home budget, in the bracket I have written monthly. Here also you have to give the introduction for the home budget. Then inside the project, in details you have to write the family size. Family size means how many family members are there in the family. Suppose some family have 4 family members. And who are they? Who are the 4 person? Like suppose student's father, student's mother, student's sister, and student me, means own self. So 4 family members are there, some family 5 members, some have 6 members. So however is there, according to your family size, you will write your family members and give their introduction, means who are they, your grandfather, grandmother, mother, father, whatever is there. Then in the next point, you will write the monthly income of your family. For that you will make a chart. Your family, suppose how many members are there, but all are not a earning member. Suppose in your family member that father and mother are the earning members. So you write the person name like father, you write the source of income. Suppose father's income is from business, and you write his income. And you write the mother, you write the source of income. Suppose salary, mother is doing a job, so salary. So you write the mother's income. And if more family members is the, suppose grandfather is from pension, so you can write his pension amount. So after how many family members are there, how many earning members are there, you write their means introduction, who are they, source of income and amount of the income. Then after completing the chart, you will write at the down total income. This adding this all income, then you will get the total income. Okay. After completing the total income, you make the next item, you show the monthly expenditure of your family. So for monthly expenditure, here also you have to make a big chart One is for serial number, second was the item for investment or item for expenditure, and amount for expenditure amount. So serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means how many areas are there. Suppose fooding, you are expending some amount, school fees amount, medicine amount, rent amount, entertainment amount, so many, not only 5, you can make a 10, you can make 12. Whatever your expenditure portion is there, you write as much as you can and you write your corresponding amount, and at the end of the table you will write the total expenditure and you add all the amounts, then you will get a total expenditure. So here you got total income and here you are getting total expenditure. Then you make a different column, that is monthly savings of your family. So we know that savings equals to income minus expenditure. So this result you will write minus this result you will write, and you will subtract it and you will write the answer, that is the monthly savings. So that is your second project is completing now. So after writing the second project, at the end of the project paper, you will write the conclusion of this project, means from project 2 what you will got from this project, that you will write, and at the end of the page, means at the end of the project, you will write the bibliography. That is the 4. So 2 project you have to make. So please students, make nicely, do honestly, and the first things you have to follow to do the project, neat and clean, first things. After that content also should be proper, but first neat and clean. So don't use overwriting, try to write with proper handwriting, try to avoid, means must avoid using whitener. So please do well, you will get 20 marks, nobody can cut your marks, single marks. So please do it as much as you can, beautiful, okay? So please follow it. If you so see the video properly, it will help you lots.